don't matter? What am I, a wife or a goldfish?
I was at a discount store with Daddy a couple weeks ago. We went past a giant aquarium. He didn't even glance at it. I think you're safe.
Gail! You said you finally got through to him. Gail! Don't turn.
I'll just stay this way.
Sorry. I'm just anticipating you turning around. Okay,
Maybe I should just go.
Just don't turn around and we'll be fine.
Okay.
Alright. Gail, you said you finally got through to him? Can you go far, far away so I can't hear you? I'm glad to know that you've got more sense than some people.
So what's with the Niagara Falls bit?
Nothing.
Well, I gotta get my beauty sleep. Next time they can stick your oxygen line wherever they please. Just like the rest of them.
Like the rest of who?
Well, I need to get my beauty sleep. Next time they can stick your oxygen line wherever they please.
Very quiet.
Fitting in between thunders.
Am I going too fast for you?
Why are you doing this?
Why are you?
What is that noise? Cut. I'll never do it again. And I'll try to... No, I will treat you like I should.
I forgive you.
I got a cell phone.
Sorry, that's mine.
Is to share with you how wonderful Jesus has been to me.
Oh my God. It's true. What they say?
I suppose.
Oh my God. Really?